Hello guys, today I'm going to show you this Minnie Mouse Electronic Cash Register. This is a fun educational cash register with realistic features. By the way, we need 3 AA batteries for this cash register. This is the on and off button. This is the clear button. This button right here makes a sound. And this button is for the microphone. Let's try it.
Hello, welcome to Race Day Time.
To open the cash register, you press this button. This is the conveyor belt. This comes with a pen for the magic blackboard. See how cute it is. The pen goes here. This is the scanner. It lights up when you press the button. And it gives you automatic price too. This is the pretend credit card. You can put your name in here. And at the back, you can put your signature. This is where you scan the credit card. This is the pretend money. It says there Minnie Mouse Bank. So we have 10. This is 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now let's check out the pretend coins. This is one and it's Minnie Mouse shaped. It's got letter M at the back too. This is 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5. Now let's place the pretend money in the cash register. Now let's play with the cash register. it gives you the total right away. We got 50 here, and the total is 47. So, minus 50 equals 3. 3 is the change. Hey, Minnie Mouse is shopping. Let's check out her stuff. Her total is 73.90. Minnie is using her credit card. You're approved, Minnie. Please sign here, Minnie. Here's Minnie's signature. Thank you for shopping, Minnie. I hope you have a great day. Bye! Cash or credit, no problem with Minnie Mouse Cash Register. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, subscribe to Race Day Time for more videos.